HomeToGo markets itself as a one-stop search engine for vacation rentals, and on the surface, it seems like it really streamlines the rental process. Once you land on the homepage, you're greeted with a clean, modern interface and a prominent search bar that covers just about every type of destination you can think of. The site pulls listings from multiple other platforms like VRBO, Booking.com, and TripAdvisor, so in theory, you're getting a comprehensive view of what's available across the board. Navigation is simple, and the filters are extremely detailed. You can narrow your search down to property type, amenities, price range, guest rating, and even features like pet friendliness or beach access. It's especially useful for people who are planning group trips or longer stays where comfort matters. However, one thing to be aware of: not all listings update in real time. There were moments I clicked on a promising listing only to be redirected or told it was no longer available. That kind of experience can be frustrating when you're booking on a timeline. The price comparison tool is one of HomeToGo's strongest features. You can often see how the same property is priced across multiple platforms, which helps you spot overpriced listings or snag a good deal. Still, prices shown in the search results aren't always accurate when you click through. Taxes and service fees tend to creep in late in the process, which feels a bit deceptive if you're not paying close attention. Booking isn't handled directly by HomeToGo in most cases. Instead, they redirect you to a third-party site. This means cancellation policies, support availability, and final pricing are dictated by that platform, not HomeToGo. It's important to double-check the policies before finalizing anything, because one platform may offer free cancellation while another does not for the exact same property. There was a time I got stuck between layovers with no hotel and no internet. That's when I first tried Trip.com, and now I carry it with me like a first aid kit. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Mobile usability is decent, although the app feels slightly clunkier than the desktop version. It's functional, but loading times vary and occasionally glitch when filtering. If you rely heavily on apps while traveling, this is something to consider. On the plus side, you can favorite properties, compare recent searches, and receive alerts for price drops, all solid tools if you're still undecided on where to book. Another potential downside is listing consistency. Because HomeToGo aggregates from other platforms, sometimes images or property descriptions don't fully match what's actually offered. Always double-check details on the final booking site before confirming. I also noticed that smaller or niche properties don't always show up, especially in rural or off-the-beaten-path areas, so the search scope, while broad, isn't 100% universal. Overall, HomeToGo is a powerful tool for browsing and comparing rentals in one place. It saves time, especially if you're someone who would otherwise be hopping from one site to another manually. However, the platform is only as good as the listings it pulls, and because it doesn't manage bookings directly, there's a layer of detachment that might not appeal to every traveler. It's great for research and comparison, but not necessarily for reliability in final booking. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest reviews like this, and leave a comment with your experience using HomeToGo.